Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by opening Capcut and loading the clip you want transcribed. Make sure microphone permission is allowed or import a clean audio file. Once done, tap the audio or text tool to access voice-to-text. Choose the correct language and accent so the model matches your speech. Speak steadily or trim silence before converting, because cleaner audio yields better accuracy. You're now ready to run the initial transcription. Tap Convert or Auto Subtitle to start the first pass. Now you refine the middle steps. After the first transcription, review segment boundaries and punctuation settings. You can shorten subtitle lengths or increase line duration for readability. Make sure timestamps suit visual cuts. If Capcut mishears words, tap a segment to edit text directly or rerun with higher recognition sensitivity. Once you adjust segmentation and speaker distinctions, use the replace or merge functions to combine fragments. This ensures accurate timing, readable lines, and consistent voice labeling across the clip. Finish by styling and exporting. Set font, size, and position, then export captions as SRT or burn them into video. Make a final pass listening for misheard names, homophones, or missing punctuation, and correct them manually. If the transcript is still inaccurate, re-record the audio in a quieter environment or apply Capcut's noise reduction before retrying. Alternatively, split the file into smaller clips and transcribe each. If a problem persists, restart the app and retry one clip at a time to isolate the error.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.